Good morning. Monday morning, February 4th. Jim Barrett from RJO Futures in Chicago. Interesting morning. A little bit of change. A little bit of change in tone. The kind of heady risk on that we had through January, basically right through the close in January, appears to have got lost over the weekend. There's some issues in Europe that were on the back burner that have jumped up here, and so we have a significantly higher dollar against the euro. The euro's down hard. Stock indexes around the world are down pretty hard, led by Spanish and Italian stocks. There's some budding political scandal in Spain. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but the opposition is calling for this guy Rajoy to step down. He's been instrumental in getting Spain making adjustments to keep the world financial community happy, and one of the reasons we enjoyed the kind of risk on for the whole month of January, both stock indexes that had put pressure, as you know, on notes and bonds. I mean, technically, their notes and bonds are in a downtrend. However, the late sellers late last week are in a little trouble this morning because we got kind of a spirited rally going on. We got a risk-off situation, so of course the world goes to U.S. notes and bonds. I mentioned a little bit about the stock indexes being lower. We're not severely lower. I think the S&Ps are 7 or 8 points lower, but it does feel a bit like a change in tone in Europe. Apparently the Italian stock indexes the last couple days are down over 5%, and the Spanish down 6%. So Europe is kind of back in the forefront. There's an ECB meeting Thursday. That'll be interesting. Market right now doesn't expect them to lower rates. However, if they do, that would bring the euro down some more and probably indicate the little a doubt about the recovery process there, which may bring our notes and bonds up a little more. Current quote 131.11 in the bonds, 142.05 in the 143.20 in the bonds. Resistance right here, 143.20.21 first level, and then 144.05.13. Resistance in the notes, 131.11.5 basically starts right here. The big resistance, however, 131.30. In order to test those levels, we'll need the stocks to follow through some more on the downside here. Looks like they're possibly set up to do so. Anyways, later in the week, we have the ISM non-manufacturing index. I believe that's Tuesday. There is a refunding announcements for the 10-year on Wednesday and the 30-year on Wednesday also. And I mentioned the ECB meeting Thursday morning. There'll be various Fed governors speaking during the week. Charles Evans on Thursday. He's the guy that's been super easy and instrumental in this policy, whereas they may keep buying bonds and mortgages until employment rate falls underneath 7%. So it should be an interesting week. I can be reached at 800-500-2461 to discuss any futures market. And remember, there is a risk of loss in futures trading. Thank you.